Prevent fire hazards with regular chimney cleaning. We can't stress enough the importance of regular chimney cleaning in preventing fire hazards. If we don't take the time to maintain and clean our chimneys, we're flirting with potential danger. Imagine a roaring fire on a cold winter's night, cozy and warm. Now imagine that same fire spreading uncontrollably due to a dirty chimney. That's a situation we wouldn't wish on our worst enemy. To prevent these potentially catastrophic scenarios, here's a checklist we can follow. Regular chimney cleaning. We should have our chimneys professionally cleaned at least once a year. This removes the buildup of creosote and other debris. Cap the chimney. Installing a cap on our chimney can prevent birds, squirrels, and other critters from nesting there. This also keeps out rain and snow that can deteriorate the inside of the chimney. Proper firewood. We should only burn dry, seasoned wood in our fireplaces. Green or wet wood creates more smoke and contributes to creosote buildup. Regular inspection. Besides cleaning, regular inspection of our chimneys for cracks, loose bricks, or other damage is crucial. It's best to catch and repair these issues before they become serious problems. Install a chimney liner. A chimney liner provides an extra layer of protection, containing the heat and preventing it from damaging the chimney structure. By following these steps, we're well on our way to preventing fire hazards associated with dirty chimneys. Let's prioritize our safety and ensure our cozy fires remain just that, cozy and controlled. At Astral Roofing and Building Limited, we're dedicated to offering comprehensive and efficient chimney cleaning services. We understand that a clean chimney is not only essential for your home's safety, but also for its overall efficiency. That's why we're committed to providing reliable chimney cleaning services that will ensure your chimney is free of soot, creosote, and any blockages. With us, you can rest assured that your chimney will be thoroughly cleaned and maintained, enhancing its functionality and extending its lifespan.